Hello, my name is Dr. Robinson. And I'm here with my assistant, Miss Frizzle. So we're gonna do some science for you today. It's gonna be pretty cool. So most of you guys have probably made slime. Have you made slime before? It's pretty cool. So we're gonna make slime. So the first thing you need is your ingredients. So I find that Emmer's glue is the best. So you're gonna need some glue. We have our water, some detergent, don't take appearance, and we have some food coloring. So the first thing we're gonna do, and you're gonna need something to stir it with and a container. So Mrs. Frizzle, can you pass me the glue, please? Thank you. You're such a nice assistant. You wanna get it all out? Yeah, you can taste it, Miss Frizzle. What's it taste like? Tastes good? Mrs. Frizzle, can you do me another favor? Can you give me some water? Can you add some water to it for me, please?
Sure.
Look at you. Not all of it, Mrs. Frizzle. Pay attention now. So let's add, I like to get all the glue out. So let's add some water inside. And while I'm standing, we're gonna have Miss Frizzle put the top on that and mix that up real good for me. Now, if you're at home, you got small brothers, small sisters, or ask your mom or dad or grandma to help you make this. Make it a family event. Let's stir it real good. I forgot. Dr. Robinson is allergic to glue. It's crazy. Thank you. Yes, good job. There you go. Perfect. And it's okay to make a mess at home, guys. It is okay to make a mess. It is okay. Yeah, there's something. Taste it. Is it ready? Good. Okay. So, I would say you can make a hypothesis. How many times do you have to stir this for the consistency to come together? For the glue and the water to become one? So, how many times have I been stirring this? Have you not been counting? 27.
28.
I'm still
29,
going. I'm still going.
30.
I'm still going. I'm still going. See how it's looking? That consistency. It's just coming together. That looks good. How many?
45. 46. 47. 48. 49. Now you're going too fast for me to count.
But see the difference?
Oh.
So our first hypothesis was, in my mind, Mrs. Frizzle, I thought that maybe we stirred the glue and the water together 10 times, it'd be a solid consistency, but I was wrong. What was your hypothesis?
I was thinking closer to 50.
Okay. So we just added the laundry detergent with the solution, with the glue and the water. So how many times do you think? What's your hypothesis?
40.
40? I'm gonna say 20.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Wait. Would the speed impact it if it was 40 fast stirs or 20 slow stirs, you think?
I think 20 fast stirs would be
Let's see.
better than 40 slow stirs.
Don't you love making a mess?
I do.
Don't you just love making a mess?
I do.
Yeah, just making a mess. Going everywhere. Stuff isn't gonna kill us, and it's fine. It's fine. And then you start to see, wow, look at that. Look at that.
It's changing consistency.
It is. The consistency is changing. We're getting a lot of foam. And wow. All right, taste it.
I thought you can't eat laundry detergent.
Correct, you can't. So don't do that to your little brother or sister. That's not nice. But you can do it to your parents. You can do it to them. Feel it. What do you think? Is it almost there?
Almost. I think we need to do maybe 10 more stirs.
Okay. So my hypothesis was 20.
Way
What
wrong.
was your hypothesis?
I said 40.
How many have I done? You didn't count. You didn't
I
count.
lost
She didn't
count.
count.
I lost count. It's starting to
I
change.
wonder if I turn around with the bowl, will that
Will that make it?
make it go?
What if I turn around too?
Yeah.
While you're doing it?
So let's see. So I turn around, you turn around. Ready?
Okay,
Go.
ready. Wait.
No, the other way.
Oh. Wait.
Busy now.
Make food. Yeah.
Okay, so let's see.
Looking good.
Is it? Yeah, that's about right. Yeah, that's about right. So I think something that would be really cool, guys, is
I wonder.
some more glue. Because it's good, but it's just not good enough. So let's add some more glue. Yeah, that's good. Yep. So what if... Choo! No one says boogers and snot don't make things better. Hey, Miss Frizzle, how did you know to add more glue?
Well, I looked at the consistency and it
Cause
just
what?
the consistency.
What is that?
Well, you know, it's how the texture.
Mr. Frizzle, I'm a mad scientist. I know what consistency is. Jeez.
And so I thought more glue would make a better slime consistency.
So we added more glue, and we came up with a new hypothesis about how many times it takes to stir it. And guys, I think we have Miss Frizzle, where are you going? Oh, look at the baby. So one thing's missing from this, guys. Because at Northridge, one of our school colors is blue. So let's make this slime blue. How are we gonna do that, Miss Frizzle? What are we gonna do?
We're going to use blue food coloring, of
Okay.
course. How many drops do you think we need?
Maybe 3?
3. Let's count.
1,
2, 3.
and 1 more for good luck. We need more.
Pause. Wow. That's slimy. It's like baking bread.
Mhm. Come here, where you going? So, I want to have a slime fight with Mrs. Frizzle, but she's scared of glue.
I'm
But
not scared of glue.
if you're gonna do this, guys, have a fight, do it outside. And you know when you hit your little brother, your little sister, do it like this. Really didn't do it. Or do it like this. Really didn't do it. Or do it like this. Or truthfully, like that. Really didn't do it. Or you have fun like that. Cut.